guys, today I am going to be making strawberry rolls. So this is a different take on a cinnamon roll. Instead of that cinnamon inside, it's going to be a nice strawberry glaze. And then of course it's a healthier take on the traditional cinnamon roll. There's no dairy added, no refined sugar, it's sweetened in other ways. And I'm pretty excited. This recipe can be found on the Community Cookbook, so check it out and then stay tuned. All right, I've already gotten started a little bit here. I've added together my dry ingredients and then cut in some plant-based butter. My favorite one is Earth Balance, but there's plenty of options out there. So I let this chill for a little bit, and the next step, I am going to begin the strawberry glaze. My lovely kitchen helper today is Otis. He is resting before he jumps right in on helping make these lovely strawberry rolls. Okay, so the next step is to cut up some strawberries. I've already washed them and they are ready to go. Next, gonna get the strawberry sauce going on the stovetop. When I roll dough, I usually use a cup. A rolling pin would probably be preferred, but I don't have one, so I use a cup and it works just fine. Fresh out of the oven and they smell delicious. Ta-da! Little bit of icing glaze. This is not made the traditional way. This is a healthier take. Check out the recipe to see what's in it, but it tastes amazing.